Hi, so in this video I will share with you exactly step-by-step framework that you can apply for yourself if you want to make at least $5,000 to $15,000 per month with affiliate marketing. Now in this video I will share with you step-by-step framework that you can apply with any ad network. Now in this example right now I will be using Google Ads. Why Google Ads? Because lots of people are struggling with Facebook ads and Facebook is shutting people down left and right. So what you have to do as an affiliate is you have to follow this simple but really powerful framework. So let's begin with this one. You see over here I have $150 over here. Now you might be asking yourself, why $150? Now you see, if you do affiliate marketing, now I don't care what network you're doing, Digistore, Clickbank or any other affiliate networks where you can promote and pick products in different niches, you should choose a product, first of all, that is paying at least minimum from $50, better $100 to $200. Now you will have products, you'll see, where the front end offer is $37, but on the back end you will earn maybe $100 or $150 with the upsells. So you have to consider this. What is the upsell take rate of that offer? You see, most affiliates are blind. They go into the clickbank, they go scroll through the categories, and then they choose and pick the product only by gravity. They do not consider what is the top offer, what are the top super affiliates doing, what are the targeting details, where that offer is converting the most, and what kind of angle with ad copy or targeting is working the best. So you see over here, the first thing is choose the offer that's paying at least $100 per sale. That way you can make sure that over time you can scale up and reach these numbers over here. So you can choose also private networks. There are also many different private networks, and I can share with you that privately, different private networks where I have connections with different vendors on those networks that they can give you commission bumps up to 90 to 100% commissions per sale, and also other benefits that others affiliates are not getting. And this is called advantage. It's having an edge or ultimate leverage with affiliate network, affiliate marketing. Now see over here, you have the offer. So let's say this is one offer, let's say in a weight loss niche. So $150 commissions. Now for you to reach these numbers over here, $5,000 to $10,000 or $15,000, you need to have some kind of traffic source and website or web page. Now see, let's say we have this one offer over here that is paying us $150. Now over here, the second step is having the good quality traffic. Now you can get traffic from anywhere. You can get it from YouTube, you can get it from TikTok, Facebook, LinkedIn, and of course Google. Now I will suggest you to start with Google Ads. Why Google Ads? Because it's a wild west right now, and if you can apply the right framework, and of course, what is number one thing over here? Intent. You see, intent is really important. Why? Because on Google people are searching for the solutions. They are already searching how to, or where I can buy this, where I can purchase this, right? They're already having a buyer's intent, which is very powerful. Then for comparing to Facebook, of course Facebook can be also powerful, but on Google you already have people who are already looking for what you have to offer. You know, they are already looking for the solutions to their pain and their problems that they are dealing with. So buyer's intent is much more powerful. You see, let me show you over here. In the second step, you see it looks like a funnel. So that's why I want to show you this with traffic. Traffic source, it's really important, and audience. So you see, let's say we have a type of funnel over here. Let's say this is our funnel. So over here, let's say we have unaware audiences. Those are people who are totally unaware. They're just scrolling through stuff. They are just browsing on Google. It's just like something generic. Like for example, let's say weight loss. So let's say we have here weight loss. Now over here, it's one step deeper. They may be already problem aware. They know they have a problem, but they don't know your brand, they don't know your product, they don't know anything about you, but they have a problem, right? So this is the second step or second level deep. Now third level deep, I would say, is when people are already problem aware plus solution aware. They already know they have a problem, and they also know they need a solution to their problem. This is our third step. And depending on all of these steps over here, and the last step, let's say it's the offer aware audiences, and those are the most powerful audiences. Those are the audiences who are already looking for the product they want to buy. So they go on Google and look for that product, right? Sometimes the review of the product or something similar, right? So if the new iPhone come out, right? And let's say that you would have an affiliate link for the new iPhone, people are already searching for the iPhone 13, for example, or whatever, 14 or 15 that's going to come out. So they're just looking for these products, typing it into the Google search bar, and because they see your review with the extra bonus, maybe unboxing or something like that, similar, right? They have a higher intent to buy from you than from someone else because you're offering them a bonus. So this is really powerful. Now you see, those are all the 4 steps. And the last step, of course, is you as an affiliate getting this kind of commissions, like we say $5,000 to $15,000 per month. So if you would like to know exactly step by step how to put this to work, how to make it work, at least let's say that you can make your first, let's say over here, $4,000 in a month online or something higher than this, then reach out to me below this video. I will have the links to my social media accounts, to my email and my WhatsApp, where we can connect personally one-on-one, and I can give you different frameworks. And number one thing, of course, it's having the quality offer. So you will see exactly the quality offer that I'm using. So number one is quality offer over here. Let's say quality offer. The second thing is exact landing page. So you get exact landing page which is done for you. And the third thing that you're getting is targeting details. You see, most of courses on ClickBank are not giving you targeting details. They are just giving you landing page, but they leave you alone with targeting details. So that's why you have to spend hundreds, sometimes thousands of dollars on different testing, split testing, headlines, angles, ad copies, because you don't know what is your market, right? When you have the right message to market match, which is connecting your audience together with your solution, with your offer, then you can get these kind of results over here. So this is all you're getting. You're getting done for your affiliate page. You're getting targeting details with ad copy. You're also getting high quality offer with a high upsell take rate. And also, what is the last thing that you're getting is the buyers list. So the list of previous buyers. So all of the buyers that were purchasing ClickBank products in the niche that you're in, or the niche that I'm promoting products in, you can upload that and you can retarget them, or you can create your own list and then sell them and upsell them the same offer that you are promoting as an affiliate on ClickBank or any other affiliate network that you are promoting offers in. So if you want more help with that, and if you want personal support, please subscribe to the channel. And below this video, again, I'm telling you, you can connect with me one-on-one and you can get some kind of solutions, tips and help. And again, it's not a cheap thing. We are not giving it away for free, but if you're serious and you want serious results and be committed to getting your first even $150 sale, and after that $1,000 sale and $5,000 sale, then you should know that this takes some kind of serious commitment. So please let me know below this video, and if you have any more questions, you're very welcome to ask.